afternoon and welcome to another of Tim's Tech Talk videos here at Venom Motorsports Canada. Today with Sean we're going to be having a look at this x22R and we're going to be focusing on getting you roadworthy in terms of how to get the bike taking off and how to stop the bike safely. One important feature that we always try to stress is if ever you are in doubt and you feel uncomfortable, just pull in the clutch. This will disengage the drivetrain for you and give you a much more comfortable sense of control. So we're going to start the bike up, put it into first gear, and show you how to get the bike rolling. So again, we click down, get ourselves in first gear, and we're going to give the bike just a little bit of gas and gently release the clutch. And that's literally all it takes. So you get a sense or a feel for that motion. A little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch, and now what happens when you're getting ready to come to a stop? You'll be pulling your clutch in, or you can downshift. So now you're in first gear, for example, you're getting ready to come to a stop. You're going to be using your front and your rear brake, but keep in mind, you would like to, in a perfect world, have about a 60-40 or 70-30 relationship so that you're using the rear brake to help assist you when you stop. If you only use the front brake, you're going to have some problems because the bike will flip right over. So be very, very careful for that. Always ensure that you spend a bit of time and get used to braking with the rear brake. Again, 60-40, 70-30, depending on who you're speaking to. And don't apply the front brake only, because again, you will flip your bike. We hope you found that helpful and useful. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.